Good afternoon, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use MidJourney for free in your own server and make some amazing prompts. Let's get started. Alright, first step, type in MidJourney, click search, click on the very first thing that pops up, click on sign in with Discord, click authorize. Once you've authorized, it'll automatically pull you into the Discord right here. The very first thing you're going to want to do is do /imagine, typed in a prompt. Once you clicked in the prompt, it will then tell you to agree to the terms. Once you've done that, all you need to do now is to click on the MidJourney bot profile, click add to server, select which server you want it to be added to, click authorize. Once it's authorized at that point, it is now part of your Discord server that you have chosen. And just to show you that it works, /imagine stargaze, for example. It's now going to allow you to be able to create that image within here. It does take it a little bit of time. I'm going to pause here, and when I come back, it'll be done. Alright, and as you can see, the image is complete, and it has created that prompt. A few important things to remember. All of these roles right here allows you to upscale it. That's what the U stands for. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing with variations. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can get variations of it. So let's say, for example, if you wanted a variation of the fourth one, you would click V4. Or a variation of the third one, you would select V3. So the importance of this, it allows you to create different variations or using the upscale to make it one big image so that you can then use that for whatever you want to use it for. Alright, now for some advanced techniques that you can do to make some even more cooler prompts. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find an image that you want to post to use it to base it off of. I've created a lot of different ones with the different variations that I have. So if I, for example, wanted to take it off of an image that I've made quite a few different images for a bunch of friends and things like that. But here's an image of me. I can then take that image, that direct link, go into here, do /imagine, paste that image prompt. From here, this is the part where you can really be creative. You can put in many different variations of things. You can create it by certain artists if you choose to do so. How you would do it then is, if you were doing an artist, you would do, let's say, anime by, and then let's just say you were creating a famous artist style. You put in that artist's name, close out the quotations, and then that's where you can add in more variations to it. So you can have it like different aspect ratios, or you can have it different prompts. You fill out the information, so then it will actually get that style. I'm going to pause here and fill out the information so I can give you an example. Alright, I've got all the information pasted in here. So, anime character by Ken Sugimori. That's the artist of Pokemon. This is saying to use the 4th version of MidJourney bot and the aspect ratio to be 2 to 3, to basically focusing it based upon the prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter. As you can see, it accepted it. I'm going to go ahead and pause here and let it do its thing and show you what the results are here. Alright, and we're back, and this is what the images actually came out with. It actually looks really, really good, and it is basing upon the Pokemon style, but more realistic, which is really, really cool. So if I wanted to upscale a specific image, I just select 1, 2, 3, or 4. I really like the style of this first one, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you what that would look like. I'm going to pause here, and when I come back, I'll have that result of that image being enhanced. Alright, and we are back, and this is what it turned out. As you can see, it is a very high upscale image, and I've created it. Now, what's really cool about this is a lot of people can make many different variations of the different art, and you can use this for a lot of different purposes. If you buy the $10 plan, it gives you that option to be able to have a commercial license, be able to use it and sell the images that you make. If you're using the free version of it, a key note about that, you can only use it under the non-commercial license, so the commons version. So if you're wanting to be able to actually get a good version of it, you're going to want to get at least a $10 or $30 plan so you can be able to use it commercially. Another side note with that as well, there is many different purposes that you can use this AI art for. I mean, one of them being just like you see in the corner of my screen right here. That is actually an image I created with this style, and I using it as an avatar, and I'll show you real quick how to do that with a really quick, easy tool to use. I'll pause here while I get that information loaded up. Alright, and we're back. The tool is called Leiapix. You will go to convert.leiapix.com. You can log in with your Gmail. Once you have the image that you want to use, you select this option here, and this is how you use it real fast. So when you go to the edit tool, it'll give you the variation of how fast it's moving or how slow. The more seconds you use, the slower it makes it go. You also have the different type of movement that you can make it do. You can make it go left or right, up or down, circular motion. A lot of different variations that you can do to make it look real. You can make it move less and basically make it how you want. And you can make the focus being either far, center, or close, and make it basically look like it's breathing, which is really cool. Once you've got everything how you like it, you'll go ahead and click on the share option. It's going to spin here, and once it's actually done doing its thing, it's going to pop up the option for you to be able to use it as a MP4. You just click on that, click download, and then that saves it as basically a moving image. Then you just take that and add it into the actual prompts and into OBS, and then you have a moving, working webcam. And you can do this with a lot of different image prompts. And the cool thing about that is you can choose what is being focused on for the image, to make it move. But this is a free tool that you can use. It's what I currently use. And literally you can just create your own avatar. And that's just one idea of what you can use MidJourney for. There's many more ideas and things that you can do with MidJourney. But that's just a cool free tool I found out. I was like, wow, combining that with this, boom. I never have to use a webcam ever again if I don't want to. I mean, there's other softwares that you can use out there and make it look more animated, but this is a free, quick way to do it. All free. And the sky's the limit with MidJourney. If you guys have any questions about different things that you can do with MidJourney or need more in-depth tutorials of how I made many different types of art, I can definitely show you. I mean, looking through the different images that I've made astronauts, I made masks, I've made art for rain, Spider-Man, Iron Man. I've made a whole bunch of different things, and all using MidJourney, like this based upon my face, and it looks really close. I mean, there's so many different things that you can do with MidJourney, and these are just a few examples of the different image prompts that I've done. So if that doesn't give you guys some awesome inspiration, I don't know what will. If you guys found this video very helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing many more tutorials on MidJourney as I learn more. This is just the basics of what I've learned so far. I'll be uploading more as I learn more in depth and advanced. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for getting me over 1,000 subscribers, now at 2.09K, and I did that in the last 90 days. You guys are amazing. Looking forward to making more content for you guys. Hope you guys have a blessed week.